Hey guys, we're back in Fender Garage, our shop here, and so we've got a 1956 Ford F100. The customer brought it to us, it seems like yesterday, but I bet it's been 6 to 8 months, and it was a frame, it had a big window kit, and had a lot of problems that we had to go in and fix. And so media blasted the cab down and found out they'd done overlap butt joints versus seam joints and welded it up. So it was all fixed. You've probably seen some photos. We were painting it and kind of getting it to this point, but we're now in the final stages of assembly of all the wiring and everything. And Friday we're going to probably come and get all the sheet metal installed, but we want to get most of the electrical wiring and leaning over the paint and all that stuff, keep that to a minimal so we don't scratch the paint. We got a lot of money in paint. We want to make sure we don't mess it up and it's good for the customer when we deliver. So one of the little things that we like to use here is this, it's a tape, it's kind of a low adhesion tape, but we can actually use it all over. It's made by JK Tapes. You can find them on Instagram. Pretty cool company, and they got a lot of cool products. And so something that we're using where we kind of protect everything, corners. Then it's got an additional tape that can go over this. They can give you a little bit thicker, more durable. It's a little bit stickier, but you put that over the white stuff and it's awesome. It works good. It's got electrical tape and all kinds of stuff. So JK Tapes, definitely check that out. So anyways, but this customer's got a 429 big block. It's mean. I mean, this thing is mean, and I'm pretty excited to kind of get it fired up. I'm hoping Friday we can turn the ignition and let the fuel pump kick on and see if this thing will come to life. Super stoked about it. It's going to be nasty and loud and cutouts and all that kind of stuff. But we did a dark gray charcoal paint job with a little bit of metallic in it. Out in the sun, it looks awesome, but in the shades, it's borderline black. Take a look. We're doing the wiring on it and kind of see some of the details and some of the wiring we're kind of doing on this truck. The exhaust system the customer had done. Super cool truck, a lot of cool little details, and some shaved doors with poppers and some of those little old school flares, but haven't worked right. We use a lot of Dakota Digital in this to kind of operate a lot of those functions. And so cool truck. Stay tuned. You'll want to watch this one. Follow us and make sure that you're watching all of our builds and stuff that we got going on. We have about, I'd say on average, we've probably got about 25 to 28 projects going on at any given moment. And so we've got about 15, 16 full-time guys here in the shop. And so we're busy, but yet at the same time, you know, we get a lot done and we try really hard to do a good job. So definitely check this out. Keep following us on YouTube. Definitely share and let everybody know what's going on down here and all the cool projects, and we'll talk to you later. Thanks.